We are supposed to talk about shooting. Why don't you talk about shooting?
Shooting. Where do I start?
Why not start at the beginning?
Okay. As soon as there was the first computer, there's always been gamers. All they needed was just a computer, a screen, a mouse, a keyboard, and a hell lot of management. And up to recent times, it was the old dudes, you know, Hodge, Sark, Xenaners. These guys were the pioneers. They were hot. But no one saw what gaming really could be until Steve Swint.
Could you tell us who Steve Swint was?
Steve Swint is everything. Steve Swint is shooting. He was the greatest. Everyone looked up to him, respected him, loved him, and one day I'm gonna be just like him.